Hello traders! Today we got stop loss. Yes, we had two live trading sessions. Today market was a bit tough, I can say. And we got one stop loss, only one. It's not too bad. The risk was very small, so we got loss of $1,000. But guys, I want to show you that we had few plans, but market was going up and down, and it was a little bit hard to enter the position. And also we had some news this afternoon, 2:30. We had retail sales from United States, so not the best for trading, not the best day for us. We finished with stop loss. At least it's small stop loss. It's not too big, but I want to show you our trading plans. This trading plan is from the morning on Euro USD. Basically, there was a chance to open this trade. I didn't open it because I was doing something else, but the market did exactly what we wanted to do, to see, but the price didn't get to full take profit. So there was a chance to open the trade, but not to full take profit. So maybe if we would close half of the position, we could be in profit, but the trade wasn't open. So, let's move to the next one. This one was pretty good, but market did something else. We looked for on higher time frame at the rotation channel, and we were expecting the price to get into liquidity zone from Asian session, to drop down to imbalance from 1 hour time frame. Also, that was edge of a bullish rotation channel. The price bounced from here. We couldn't enter the position because of the news. The market was moving pretty nice, but we couldn't open it. The price went up and then they dropped down. We can have a look at trading view what happened, guys. Right here we can see GBP USD. This is 5 minutes time frame. You can see the price got to this area, and basically we could move our trend line and enter the position here to go up. Basically we got to the target, so we could use that trade, but unfortunately we didn't do it. The price now dropped down, so it looks like we're gonna drop lower, because when we are looking at 1 hour time frame, we are breaking through this rotation channel, and we can see the price just retest this rotation channel, so there is a chance we're gonna drop down. So maybe now there will be opportunity to go down, but we are not trading anymore today. Okay, next one. This one here, the plan was great, but the price went straight down, so we didn't even get to that area. So yes, next one. This plan is from Tomek, using price action cycle. Gold to drop down, and from this area to go back into the range. But I think market also did something else. We can check on the chart. Gold, yes, basically the price got to the one of expansions from price action cycle, but I don't think there was a chance to enter the position because the price was moving too fast. So we couldn't use that trade. Guys, sometimes we got this kind of days. What can we do? Tomorrow is another day, so hopefully tomorrow is gonna be better day for us. This was on GBP entry after the breakout. I think Tomek hit stop loss on this one. I'm not sure, but I think he hit stop loss. Okay. Another trade, New Zealand dollar and US dollar. The same market did something else, so nothing we could do. And another one, this is the last one. This trade I placed on our live trading session this afternoon. It was pretty good using order flow. We were trying to enter the position. The candle was looking good, but unfortunately the market did something else. We could see reversal right here. The price went opposite, and I hit stop loss of $1,000 because I got small risk for this kind of trades. So $1,000, it's not too bad. Yesterday we had $1,000 in plus, today $1,000 minus. So basically this week we are around zero. sometimes we got this kind of days, sometimes we got losses, and we want to show you that. We want to share this with you. So, we are transparent and we are showing take profits and stop losses also. So you can see that we are just the humans and we also get stopped out. So, guys, that's it for today. And no more sessions today. Tomorrow in the morning, we're going to have our live trading session. So, hopefully, tomorrow is going to be a better day and we're going to try to make some profits, of course. The week didn't finish yet, so we got plenty of time. We got another 3 days of trading. So, yeah, fingers crossed. Let's do our job and let's move forward, guys. So, thank you for now. I will see you tomorrow morning on our live trading session. It's going to be on YouTube live, so you can join us on YouTube. And I wish you good luck, guys. And I will see you tomorrow on live trading sessions. Take care.